Do we have to perform wudu when we perform ghusl? And what about what was in the past? This question we've answered so many times. Ghusl is a total bath. So a total bath is called ghusl. But this is divided into two types. One, a religious ghusl, a legislative ghusl, which is used to uplift a major impurity, such as a person in the state of major impurity, janaba, or a woman who is pure from her menses and she wants to uplift the major impurity. So this is done by performing ghusl. There is a sunnah way of doing it, and there is a normal way, which is just totally soak your body, turn the water in your mouth and sniff and blow your nose with water. That's it. If you do either one, you are in the state of purity, and you don't have to perform wudu. Because the bigger ritual, the major ritual impurity, underneath it, once uplifted, also uplifts the minor ritual impurity. So two for the price of one. As for the second type of ghusl, or total bath, which I do maybe to go to Jum'ah or to the Eid, maybe I do when coming back from the gym, or when I'm hot and I just want to freshen up. This can never be used to pray afterwards, because wudu was not performed. So there was no major ritual impurity uplifted, and hence the minor ritual impurity was not uplifted, and therefore you cannot pray with that. What had happened in the past, if it is a prayer or two, make them up now. If you're talking about years, then this is inshallah forgiven due to ignorance, and Allah knows best. Maria Adman from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Shaykh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Shaykh, my question is, suppose there is someone whose mother works in an interest-based bank. So she tells her son, because the son doesn't study well, to study well, or otherwise she wants to leave the job. And both of the father and mother do jobs. The father does a halal job, and the mother works in an interest-based bank. So the mother bears the expenses of the child, education and other things. So because the mother told that if you don't study well, so I want to leave the job, so should the son just leave studying?
This is a hypothetical question, and with all due respect, a little bit wacko. The boy has to study in order to build a future, get married, and find a job. His mom's job is haram, and she's not working only for him. So she doesn't care whether Allah is angry or not. She likes the job, she likes the high pay, she likes the banking prestige and the office environment that banks have, which usually is lucrative and interesting. If he works, if he studies hard to build a future for himself, to graduate, to be able to find a halal job, whether the money comes from his mom or with his father, that's on them. He's not the one who told mom, no, please stay in your job so I can study. I'm going to study and do well. If you want to pay for my school from your haram job, that's on you. You're the one who's earning it. Whatever you pay for my school and for my affairs is halal for me, but it's haram for you because you earned it. So this has nothing to do with him saying, should I quit school and become a bum or a janitor so that my mom would leave her haram job? This is not realistic.